with respect to the pet tutor, with the timed feeding, are there any one or two top behaviors that you find trainers really love
Yeah.
to use the pet tutor for?
Yeah, and I should just frame this too, as my vision has always been that we are building a platform of products. So the
Okay.
Pet Tutor Feeder is only one example of a part of the platform. And I have other things in the works that are either accessories around the feeder that work with it, or completely separate products. So that's where I'd hope to get to. And my goal ultimately is to fill out this family of products. So the number of use cases will expand over time because of these additions. That's my plan. The use cases today involve separation anxiety would be a big one.
Mm-hmm.
And one of the advantages of the Pet Tutor, when we first started to think about the design for the Pet Tutor, I went out and talked to the users. That'd be another tip for anyone getting into this. Talk to people that are going to be using your product. You just can't do it in a vacuum. And one of the things they told us is, if you're going to do it, it can't jam. We want something that I can put lots of different types of treats in and doesn't jam, and it's got to be quiet. And so it's super, super quiet. That fits in nicely for separation anxiety, because many animals with SA or separation anxiety are noise sensitive. And so that was a really nice feature that helped out a lot. And then barking, and especially in like a kennel operation. So we sell to individuals and to kennels. Several service dog programs have our pet tutors. And with the right protocols, you can reduce barking with multiple dogs, which is pretty challenging usually. So those are a couple. Crate training is another big one, to get the dog to go into the crate. Mm-hmm. And stay in. So with a Pet Tutor, you can trigger it remotely and make the crate a nice place to go. So separation anxiety, barking, crate training. We're starting to do more dog sports now, agility. We just recently introduced our Generation 3 product, which has dramatically increased the range. So outdoor things, we're starting to talk to people now, like in the hunting dog competitions. And that's an area where there's punishment used a lot. So I'm real anxious to get into there and give the trainers in that field some positive alternatives.